Thanks, Mia. I think that's good. Can you take a little bit of that out and put it back in the bag? Because I think there's too much there.
Okay. Okay, Charles. Happy birthday.
Wow, Mia, you're such a big helper.
Why Charles not eating?
Oh, he will.
Okay. Go ahead, Charles. Go ahead. Yummy.
Thanks, Mia. You're pretty awesome.
Mom, pretty is a good color.
Yeah?
Yeah. The cake is a good color.
He's eating it.
Oh, good boy, Charles.